In the last PENGU price prediction, I said we long here, we short here, we short here. Look at the beautiful short, look at the beautiful long, look at the blue beautiful short, and a long right here. These were all trades that I gave you in the last part. And also we were gonna short even higher, more if we were to touch this level, which we didn't. So now the question is, what is going to happen right now? Where are the liquidations? We have a few liquidations basically around these highs, starting from this high right here and moving upwards, so around here. And we also have a bunch of liquidations below these weeks, so around here. So there's basically two scenarios that we will be looking for within the video. Before that, I just want to tell you that I won't waste a second of your time, so just hit the like button, and this video is no financial advice. So right here, look, there's BTC is talking with me. So right here, as you can see, we have two levels that are interesting: the 346 to 347, and also the 327 to 324. This is where a lot of long liquidations lie below this low, and long of short liquidations lie above this high. So if price moves through there and we see some divergence or longs closing or shorts closing, that would be a very bullish sign for us to enter. So something very interesting for us would be, I just removed is we pump to here, we have long short closing and we enter short, or short closing, we enter long. So in general, we want to have two charts open, and I'll make sure I have that right here with two layouts. I don't know okay, to let me do that. So here we'll remove all the indicators, and the only thing we'll need for PENGU is the long and short, longs and shorts. So here, net longs, look what we'll have. We want to see how they're performing. On the 30-minute, we want to see something like this. Look at this, shorts are closing, so we're definitely pumping now. Okay, so what I'm being interested in doing now is having a long position, and I'll take some profit from here, and hopefully I'll get some the long position to this level, to the last take profit in this level, because what I can see here is a massive amount of shorts getting closed. Normally when you go around to 80 and then you lose the 80, just like we had here, you have a nice pump continuation to the upside, and that's what's happening here. So I definitely want to see that. Let me know your thoughts though in the comment section down below. I'm up to 175 grand on VOOX on meme coins. So if you want to follow the meme coin trades, use the link in the description down below. Also in the link in the description down below, you can actually join BingX. They're the best exchange right now. I'm switching to them from Mexi. They have a 8.2k gift for you, $100 exclusive perks, 8.1 grand bonus. They also have over 20 million cumulative signups, 18 plus supported languages, 20,000 plus elite traders. So definitely join the movement as fast as you can. Love with all my heart. See you next video.